how to manage your Instagram account from your Facebook page. So I'll show you how to link Instagram and Facebook and how to cross-post between your different accounts. Now you can do this from the Business Meta Suite on Facebook. So first, go and head over to the Facebook website, click on your profile icon in the top right-hand side and select Meta Business Suite. Now once you're on this page here, click on the drop-down arrow. And the first thing you need to do is create a business portfolio. Now, if you already have a portfolio selected, then just go and click on it and press Business Settings. Once you're on your portfolio, we then need to link our Instagram account. So from the left-hand side, you can scroll down to Instagram Accounts. You can then press Add, and you can press Claim Instagram Account. You then simply need to go and sign in to your Instagram account. And bear in mind that you may need to switch to a professional Instagram account before you can link the two profiles. So if you haven't already done this, you can just go through the steps by converting your account into business. You'll then get this message, press continue. And once your accounts have been linked together, you can go and press done. So once your accounts have been linked, you'll be able to see your Instagram from this list here. You can then go and manage your Instagram and Facebook account from this One Business Meta Suite. So for example, on the left-hand side, you can scroll down to content. You can then click on create post. And when you create a new post, you can click on post to, and you can now select both your Facebook and your Instagram account. You can then go and manually create all of the details for your post. And you can essentially share this to both your Instagram and also your Facebook page. You could then use this content section to go and manage all of your content in one single place. You can also use the schedule tool to schedule posts on your Facebook and Instagram account.